Good day everybody, it's Grayzy, Chief Instructor on All Limits Bushcraft and Survival. I hope everyone's well today. And I'm actually at work doing my normal job. But today, first of all, before we do anything else, I want you to look at this. To help Wayne celebrate the launch of Stone Circle Workshop, what we're going to be doing is a small collaboration, and I'm going to set him a challenge. Me and Wayne have known each other for about 18 years now and served together in the British Army for that time. Now, Wayne, the challenge, if you wish to accept it, is I would like you to make a mid-priced all-rounder. Well, what that means is, in the bushcraft and survival world, an all-rounder is something that a primitive stroke traditional bushcrafter all the way up to a modern method and tactical bushcrafter and survivalist will use, and then everything that's in between. Now, our instructors at Northern Limits Bushcraft and Survival specialise in the primitive and the more traditional side, all the way up to what I do is the modern bushcraft and then the survival side of it as well, and we use a lot of tactical stuff, and then everything that's in between as well. So what we're likely to do is come up with an all-rounder. So what we'll do is we'll test it for you, we'll review it for you, and then we'll get the other instructors to give it a go as well, and then we'll do a video for you. However, there's some specs that we'll like you to abide by, and here they are. It has to be 1095 carbon steel with a sharp spine, 5 to 6 inches blade length, not including the handle, 4mm in thickness, a flat or a high Scandinavian grind, and the handle either a hardwood or a micarta. Now, this was done a short while ago. I filmed that and sent it to Wayne from Stone Circle Workshops. Me and him have known each other for, pushing on nearly 20 years of our army career. He actually was in a video last year when we were over in Northern Ireland together, and he basically turned around and says, "Look, I'll make you a knife at some point when I get around to it." And I was like, yeah, no problem. But then the Griz came up, and he says, "Right, I'll make you one for the Griz." And I was like, absolutely no problem. And it's come. So I'm mega excited about it because I've seen some of the progression of it, and I've now got the item good to go. So let's have a look what's inside. So I've already taken the outer packaging off just purely because I have my address on it, and I don't want any weird stalkers trying to confound us and all that. But first of all, I've liked the way that he's actually put the tissue, because the first thing I want to do with this tissue is I'm going to put it in my resources bag, and I'm going to use it to start a fire out the weekend, because I'm actually going out to Strensel on exercise with my troops, and I'm going to be on the ground for 4 days, but I'm only allowed to take my twig burner because I'm not allowed ground fires there. Oh, secondly, nice one, Wayne. Oh, mate. I'm liking this already. The weight feels already quite good so far. Wayne, it's like the world's most anxious past the parcel. Like, it's like being a kid again. Is it going to land on me? Is it not? Oh wow. This. So this is, as you've seen from the video before, this is a mid-range all-rounder that I challenged Wayne to make, and he's done the sheath himself, he's told us, and that is absolutely amazing. The moment of truth. Oh, the sheaths. Oh wow. Put some nice oil on it. Oh, it's really sharp, that. It's a little craftsmanship. I am so impressed with this. Got a nice nice weight to it as well. And he's even put a thumb pressure on there as well. And that will also double up with where my ferro rod goes when I strike it. The spine on it is really sharp as well. So that's for when I scrape some fat wood. The handle. This is quite flexible, it's quite good because that's where she's going to go through my belt, for a double belt loop. And you've got this nice little thing here. It fits really snug. So that's really what I was sort of like looking for with the sheath, that it sits in quite snugly. So, Wayne, this is outstanding. This is amazing, mate. I am so happy, like I am literally smiling with this. This is going to get put through its paces. So the next video you'll probably see is the actual field test before I go out in the ground and do the Griz. And I am just looking so forward. So ladies and gentlemen, if you haven't already, please give Wayne Stone Circle Workshop a subscribe. He is on Instagram, yeah, stone_circle_workshop. Give him, if not, just search him on my followers page, and you know, absolutely great guys. Well, he also does Stone Circle tarantulas as well for exotic housekeeping of exotic pets and such. But I'm a happy sausage. This is a happy chief instructor. I am going to go and do some media, start pushing this out. So again, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.